Monkey had two dads. One said, "Get a job, trade time for bananas." The other whispered, "Own the tree, let fruit find you." Poor dad worked dawn to dusk, still came home with empty hands. Rich dad built a stand, bananas rolled in while he rested. Poor dad feared debt, rich dad used it to plant more trees. One said, "I can't afford it." The other asked, "How can I afford it?" Poor dad bought a golden leaf chair. Rich dad bought a chair factory. One monkey collected bananas, the other grew them. One played defense, the other offense. Jungle School taught how to peel fruit, not how to plant orchards. That lesson was missing. Rich Dad said, "Stop trading time for bananas. Make bananas work for you. Assets feed you. Liabilities eat you." Monkey watched both, learned the rules, changed the game. Now he sleeps under his own tree.